how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Myself Risha, and today I am here with no story, nothing. But this time I am here with crafts, which I love to do. You are going to love the crafts today I brought for you. So, before we start with our topic crafts, let's sing a song. I mean a poem. So let's start now. Who has seen the wind? Neither I or you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Written by Christina Rosette. Thank you. Hope you like the poem, and now I am going to show you what we will make today. So today we are going to make these things. Let me just take it out. So this is the first thing we will make today. I have just decorated by myself. You can imagine your own creativity and decorate it. Okay, and now we will make a heart with fan folding. It's very easy. And now also we are going to make a swan, where also you can put your candies. Let's begin with this. Now let's start making. For making that, we need a small sheet like this much only. It's sufficient. And this large piece, it doesn't matter you have a small square sheet of paper or a large. And a strip. So let's start making. Also a glue stick. Let's start making. Now first, let's start with the bow. For the bow, take a small sheet of paper, fold it in half like this. Now, take scissors, take the scissor and cut it round like this. Like this. Okay, just wait a minute. Now, so this is what you get after you cut this sheet of paper into half, and when you open it, you get this. Now, how are we going to make that bow? First, from here, you fold it like this, okay? Now, take glue and just rub it like this, and then stick this till here. You can fold it also whole. Let's fold it. Now, put glue on it, and then again stick it. Again stick the other half on it. Okay, and now you get these much extra. So what to do is, you just cut those extra like this. Here I cut one extra, now the second one is going on, and cut. Just tie a strip. Let's start with putting this strip. Now how do we put this strip? First, put glue on the strip only. This much, very little bit, not full. Okay, now just put it the center of the bow and then put it backwards. You got these big lines. What to do with now? Just push it backward, or you can also cut the extra. Let me cut it. Like this. So your bow looks like this. And now let's see where we can put this bow. Now, let's take the large white sheet of paper. Now, what are we going to make with this? First, take a large white sheet, then fold it in a triangular shape. Okay. Now, from the corner of it, do it like this. Okay. Do the same with the other part. It should be on it. Okay, now stick both of these. First, Let's put glue all over here. You can also put Fevicol. Okay, now stick it. Now let's stick the other part. Just pasting. Then you can do one thing. You can do it with a Fevicol. I'm gonna do with a Fevicol because my glue stick is not working on here. Okay, just put little bit of Fevicol. Okay, now rub it. Paste it. Okay, now what to do next? You will get 2 of these, right? So you fold one part here, stick it, do the same part with the other half. Here your purse, or you can say envelope, is ready. Now only one thing is left. Let's put the bow on. For the bow, in the back place, put glue. Also you can put Fevicol, your choice, and stick it at the center like this. Okay, and you get a look like this. Now for a finishing touch, let's make something. Eyes, that's right. Let's make eyes. Eyes, you can make any eye. Okay, nose, teensy weensy mouth. That's it, and you got your this all ready. Now let's move on to our next craft. That is this, the fan folding heart. Let's start making it. Now to make a fan folding heart, first take a square sheet of paper, any color. Now you need scissors for this. Just fold it in half. Okay, fold it in half. You got this line at the center. Now using the scissor, cut it out. You got 2 pieces. We don't need the second one. Put it aside. Okay, now let's start working. Now fold this. You got one. Fold this one like this. Okay, like this. And now we will have to make a circle. For that, take something in circle, put it on. Just make half of the semicircle using a pencil. Okay, and so you made this circle. It's not visible, I know. I will just cut it out. Now you just cut it straight and just take a turn here. Okay, and like this, and there's a little this like this, so you can just erase it with the eraser. Don't make it with a marker, otherwise that thing will not erase. And after this, you open this and you got this shape, right? And now fold this thing in half. Fold it again. Now fold it till the center line. First you fold like this, right? Now fold this till the center line only. Another fold till the center line. Do the same part with the next one. Okay, do the same part with the next one. Open it and start fan folding. Okay, now okay, and now we will stick it like this. Okay, now for that we need a glue stick. Okay, we need a Fevicol, sorry, not a glue stick. Oops. Just put glue all over here. And then rub it all over. Put our hand at the center. Bring it up and paste it. sticking, we get this. Ready. Now let's move on to our next craft. The next craft is a swan, where you can put your candies. Let's start making it. We have a large sheet of paper here. Now we are going to fold it in half. Now fold it another time. Again. Open the second fold. Now this pointing side should be towards you. Hold this corner, and push it upwards. Means take it to the center line. Okay, do the same with the second half. Now push the upper part till here. Push it downwards again. Now only single step to do. Just like this. Wait. Now open this up like this. So your swan is ready, but still not ready. You have to check that whether this thing has come or not. If they aren't glowing, just push it forwards, bend it low, pressure it, and it will pop open. Sometimes it won't, just do like this. Sometimes it won't. Now stick this till this and this over here. After pasting this, we got this. Now we will make the eyes, any eye, and you can just color a little bit part of the downwards as commented as the beak. And this is what you got after you made the beaks and everything. You can add as much as things as you want, but I just made like this, okay? And this is candy space. This one, this two. So you got a bigger candy space. So hope you like all the crafts, and if you like my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye. Stay home, stay safe, have fun with Kids Roma. Bye bye.